And the video no match up now pass cleaning with snails pens because cleaning your snails pen is the easier way to make your snails healthy and grow fast. No first time I'll show you video I use different farms. I check on pass started fish farming and snails farming in your backyard. Make sure to follow page and like share videos on my front so any be share. So how to clean your snails pen? So step 1, remove the leftover feed from your snails pen. If you are not the mouth and I don't know, when you are canoe, you need a feed wool. And I'm yellow. You need a feed wool.
Progress every year. They say farming slow, I say farming smart. Patience and knowledge. That's the
one in one side. In the bay of being a one side. So what you need to prepare your own broom. That's one cast up or prayer or the pepper or boom abribia any or shovel and nasi adibia or the best sow in Rana or a bonum. Then I'll be any can have proper one evening or seeing na. Because if you know, a woman will be won't say a smell. Yes, and a ma sense back a bonum, then so a ham one and one wound them. You are proper funny in every no what I said one or one side, but we call best one. You know, I shall one, or one side.
From the soil we dey hustle every day. Plant the seed, make the blessing find a way.
I see stable farms. I check on our pastor started fish farming and snails farming in your backyard. You may be an appetite started fish farming and I say snails farming, but you don't know where to start. Yes, I will follow page, Our like and share video, That's our best friend number with 0534 200 894. It will be out here before I started business.
Snail farm steady, progress every year. They say farming slow, I say farming smart. Patience and knowledge.
The way you want to one side and everything. What have a proud one side, no? Have a proud one side and not what's it? Come on, send a better fresh. You one. Media we young from a pack or pension tea. You know what things so. With the we are, I said, for sprinkling soup. I was need to sprinkle small water on the soil to make the soil moisture. So this is a cracker, so send the matter to more higher milk. So that so we are doing an asset. A war. Mom, one for you. To the way you know now. What do we do now? One hide one here. We are good at Buama. We are not in the top. Things no man. Come one and I'm one hide one. That's a bit me. After alcohol. So this is how to clean your snail pen as a beginner. So if you want any information about snails farming, write something in the comment section. We will respond to you immediately. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.